Simple and easy method to factory reset Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Start by pressing power key plus volume down for a few seconds and select the power off option. After the phone turns off, connect your phone to the computer or a laptop with the Type-C cable. Don't connect to an adapter as it will not work. Now, press and hold volume up and power button continuously for a few seconds. Once you see a Samsung logo, let go off power button and volume up button, and wait till you see recovery screen. Take a moment to read this. When you see this recovery screen, navigate with volume key, and select Wipe Data Factory Reset with power key. Now, again navigate with volume key, and select Factory Data Reset with power key. Now wait for some time, until your phone shows data wipe successful. At the end select Reboot System now. That's it, your phone is as good as new. I take a lot of efforts making this video simple for you. To keep me motivated, I need you to subscribe to my channel. I hope this method works for you. Thanks for watching.